So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can take off this space bar from your mechanical keyboard. So you can remove these keys easily, but for the space bar it is little bit tricky, so you have to be careful, otherwise you can break any part. So what you have to do, you see this, you have to place your finger like this. You see this one is opened. Now same thing, open this. Now you see this. Now you see this, we have properly opened it without breaking any part. You see this one is our keys. And you see this, there is some dust, so I will clean it. Just remove this. Now if I want to place this back, what you have to do, you see this alignment, you see this, you have to fit this with this, and this should be put it properly. You have to put this thing properly. Now you see this, we have successfully removed our space bar from our mechanical keyboard, and now we have successfully put it back also. So that's it, it's very simple. So thank you and bye bye.